Jake Paul makes a $30 offer to Kanye and Pete Davidson to fight it out. $30, $30 million.
Yeah.
The headline's a little. Will, you always get me with these funky sources. hiphopmyway.com. But that's why you know like what you're getting with this show, because at any point in time you can get hiphopmyway.com and it can come right after Wall Street Journal or whatever.
But it's citing Washington Post.
Yes, exactly. Oh, man. Sometimes it's kind of hard to take this guy seriously, but one must admit Jake Paul is rather entertaining. In his latest move, the undefeated boxer offered Kanye West and Pete Davidson $30 million plus pay-per-view upside to settle their differences in the box. This will never, there's no way it's happening. But it's, he knows that all he has to do is make the offer. And then you'll get people interested saying, ooh, will they do it, not do it? And then also get excited at the fact that the prospect of what that might look like.
He was thinking of hosting the Putin and Elon fight as well.
Yeah, he's not boxing right now, so this is one of the few ways he can do a little bit of work, drum a few things up, and promote himself. And obviously, he would make a ton of money if he could arrange such a thing, even paying out $30 million and paying out pay-per-view.
Right.
If you could actually get Pete Davidson and Kanye West boxing, who's going to win that, by the way?
That's a toughie.
Yeah, that one's harder.
How old is Pete?
I think he's 27.
Younger than Kanye. Younger than Kanye, that's for sure. I don't know if any of them have any kind of like background.
Yeah.
He's 28.
He's tall, though.
He's a tall 28.
Right?
It says
he's definitely tall.
1.9 meters. And Kanye.
How much is that in feet?
Oh, metric versus imperial. People, can I just say something?
1.9.
Because people when I did the video on the metric imperial, ongoing
debate that's been forever. 6'2". Okay.
People thought that I was defending the imperial system. Now, maybe I have to go back and watch the clip, but I was just describing the attributes of each of the two. And people were saying, it's not a visual thing. I can visualize 30 centimeters because I grew up with it. It's like, yeah, well, if you grew up with something, sure. But what I was suggesting is that in the absence of measuring tools in the first place, you can understand why they came up with objects to represent things prior to that.
Yeah.
In modern times, technology and such, okay, sure, yeah, you want precision. And I even said that in the thing, but it is such a hot topic.
It is very.
If you start talking, because I don't understand why it's so hot, but it's hot. It's a hot one. I guess it's widely applicable, and
it affects everyone.
It affects everyone, exactly. Everybody has to deal with measurements and tools and everyone's been irritated or frustrated by it. It has touched everyone at one point or another. For the record, it irritates me too. But I just was trying to,
you fan the flames instead.
No, I was just trying to sort of explain why, just a little backstory. That's all.
Okay.
That's all, Will.
All right.
Everybody wants everything to be so simple all the time. Mo, it's not simple. There's no simple. It's nuance.
Absolutely.
It's gray.
Yeah.
It's a gradient. It's in the middle. I know it's exhausting, but I can't help it. If it's true, it's true. If it's true, it's true.